What's up guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe. You know, anything helps. Alright, so today I'm going to be lifting and getting some new wheels for this truck. Well, not getting because I already have them, but yeah, that's the goal today. I'm gonna try to finish it one day. It says 4 hours, but that's probably for some experts. I don't really know what I'm gonna get into, but you know, let's go do it. Alright guys, see y'all in a couple hours.
Tomorrow.
What's up guys, welcome back. Alright, so I know I said it was gonna be a couple hours. Well, it actually wasn't. It was like about 7 hours, but I finally got it done. It looks pretty nice. It's right behind y'all, and this morning I actually took it to go get an alignment. It's pretty good. Those guys did a pretty good job, but it actually started raining on me and it got her all dirty. I had her all clean for y'all to see her, but it just started raining, got muddy. Not muddy, but you know, dirty rain. But here y'all go guys. Oh yeah guys, look at that. It's pretty nice, huh? I know she's kind of dirty. But let's just say she looks pretty nice. Even though she's a little dirty, she looks pretty nice. Alright, so what I actually did in the front, I don't know if you can see that. You probably can see that. Oh, right here. In the front, I did a 3.5 inch leveling kit, and I had it for the back also. I had a 3-inch block for the back, but at the end I looked at it and I was just like, you know what, I'm just keep it like that. I just like it. It's pretty cool. I like her stance. I like how it's not too low in the back, but it looks just perfect. And so she has a 22 by 12 and with 12.5 and 33s tires. It's pretty cool. These are the Archon off-road Lincolns. Yeah, even though they're a little dirty, still look pretty shiny and pretty clean. Alright, let's see how they look in the back. Sorry for this pillar, but here you go. She has a pretty good amount of space in the back, so you don't gotta really worry about anything in the back. The only thing that sucks for the front is it kinda scrubs or rubs. It kind of rubs right there in the back, but that's like if I do like try to do a full turn or like this morning I tried to go through a drive-through and it was rubbing. In the front, man, it misses it by 1/4 of an inch, but it's all good. Here we go, like this is her in the shade. I just like to say it feels pretty good. It feels pretty good. The suspension's a Supreme. Yeah, Supreme suspension. It was pretty good price, around the 300s. I didn't really have to pay for the back block, but I didn't know if I wanted it or not. So yeah guys, that's the truck. This is you know, like I told y'all, this is the build. Who knows what's coming next? I don't even know. Probably do an intake. Like what? I don't know. I'm pretty lost in what I want to do. But yeah guys, you know, keep watching the channel. You know, like, comment, subscribe, and you know, y'all can join the journey with me. Alright guys, I'm just playing with y'all guys. I can't just leave y'all like that. Show y'all my truck all dirty. So I gave her a little quick wash, and well, here y'all go, guys.
I pull up, you know I be moving, whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking is fluent. All of my business booming, stacking my cash in abundance. All of my family funded. Finally got what I wanted. Life is amazing, I love it. Everyone know that I run it. Yeah, look at me now, I came up. I've been thinking back then when I almost gave up on the game, cause I never got it my way. Now I got my mama whip on the driveway. I've been making all hits on a Friday. Back then I was getting like no plays. I'm never gonna change, no Kanye. Gotta get a Lambo like Green Bay. I made a lot, but then I gave a lot, and now I had enough. But I've been keeping up, and now I pay the price to what I'm dreaming of. I had to sacrifice, and now I see the love. Everything beautiful. Lucky I never got trapped in the cubicle. If I did it, then you can do it too. Just follow my moves. I pull up, you know I be moving, whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking is fluent. All of my business booming, stacking my cash in abundance. All of my family funded. Finally got what I wanted. Life is amazing, I love it. Everyone know that I run it. Yeah, my family home for the holidays. I'm in the studio cooking up music, cause I know I never got time to wait.
Well, there you have it, guys. She's all clean, and she's looking closer to my real dream truck, what I imagine. And you know, I hope to get closer to what I have in my mind of what I want her to look like. But in the meantime, she's perfect as she is right now. And all right, guys, thanks for watching my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to comment, guys.